everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can unblock someone on TikTok. So if you want to unblock someone on TikTok, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your TikTok app, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to your profile, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines or hamburger menu which is in the top right corner of your profile to open up the setting menu here. And here you have to tap on the setting and privacy. Once you are on your setting and privacy, you have to tap on the privacy. So here you can see your privacy page. After that, you have to scroll down and find the blocked account. Once you have find the blocked account, you have to tap on that. And here you can see your blocked user. You have to tap on the unblock option. So if you want to unblock that user or remove the block option, you have to just go and tap on the unblock option. And after that, you can visit to their profile by writing their username on the search bar. So on their profile. So this way, you can easily unblock someone on TikTok. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.